Hi, it's Mike Stevenson here. In today's video, we're going to look at a Turbo 360 feature for Power Automate where I can schedule pausing or restarting an application. So if we go over to our Turbo 360 instance here, and you can see I've got my application over here, and this has a few Power Automate flows within it. So here you can see if I sort of open this up, you can see I've got two flows within this application. Now, what I want to do, if you imagine the requirement here is at the weekend, I want to pause this application because we have regular maintenance every weekend on one of the systems that we're integrating with. So how I can do this at the application level here, we've got this feature called automated tasks, and I can do a new configuration for a management operation task. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a Power Automate flow. I'm going to choose the two flows I want to add to this task. Now, in this case, let's start by creating a task that stops. I'm just going to add a name for this. Next up, I can choose to enable scheduling. So I'm going to run it. Let's run it. So let's have every Friday. So we'll have every Friday at say 7 p.m. I'm starting today, and I'll get a notification to myself when it's ran, and I can say, actually in this case, that tick box will only send me a notification if it fails. So if I save that, and then we'll have a new task, again, a management operation task for Power Automate. This time we'll start those flows. We'll add a name again. Now we'll add scheduling so that on Monday mornings, it's say, I don't know, say 6 a.m. We'll start those flows. Again, I'll only get an alert if it fails. So now I've got my two scheduled tasks here. So you can see over here we've got them. I actually have the option to run these on demand as well. So if you look down here, I can actually run it. So what are we? Well, let's run the stop one. So support operator, we can give them an easy way to shut the entire application down or to start it up. So, imagine we have an ad hoc an ad hoc maintenance window. I can just let the support person click the button, shut the app down, and then they can also run it on demand to turn it back on. As I say, we can schedule these. So in this case, I'd run them Friday afternoon and Monday morning. So we shut down over the weekend. Nice, easy way to automate that maintenance operation. Thank you for listening to today's video.